the Troll's forest, you'll find Troll's town with some luck. Cobblestone paths, mossy homes, and a cozy square to pluck. Welcome to Troll's town, where joy's all around. Friendly trolls are everywhere. It's the happiest place we've found. Here comes Policeman Todd, he keeps the town just right. Todd wears his police uniform every day and night. A hat on his head and a whistle around his neck. Policeman Todd keeps the town in check. Todd drives around the town in his fast police car, helping trolls in need, like crossing the road or open a jar. Thank you, Todd, for what you do. Troll's town would not be safe without you. Troll's town has a fire station with a fire truck. Outside at the station, Firefighter Sam works with much pride. If emergency calls, Sam will be the fastest to react. Sliding down the pole, hops on the fire truck, ready to act. Thank you, Sam, for what you do. Troll's town would not be safe without you. There is an ambulance in town if anyone is sick. Dr. Ingrid takes care of you, she knows every trick. Ingrid is always ready, drives around both night and day. If anyone is hurt or sad, ambulance is on its way. With sirens loud and flashing lights, you know if she is near, make room for the ambulance. All streets need to be clear. Thank you, Ingrid, for what you do. Troll's town would not be safe without you. Welcome to Troll's town, a safe place to be. Rarely any trouble here, mostly laughter and cheer. If anything would happen, keep calm and collected, 'cause Todd, Sam, and Dr. Ingrid keep us protected.